Hello, this is Dr. Bisanga. Today I'm going to introduce you to a subject that most patients or prospective patients ask for when they inquire either online or during a personal consultation. Most patients want to know what type of shampoo should they use because they have an oily scalp or dry scalp, itchy scalp, flaky scalp. What type of shampoo should I use because I color my hair? All these important questions, and you cannot really find a good answer. So I have the pleasure to introduce one of our dermatologists. She's our medical director in our clinic in Athens, Dr. Kyparissou, Krystallia. She's gonna answer all these questions about what type of shampoo, what type of scalp hair, what type of scalp condition require what type of shampoo. So it's important to listen to what Dr. Kyparissou is gonna say, and she's been doing great doing hair transplant and all that. So please listen to Dr. Kyparissou, as we call her Dr. K.
Hello everyone, my name is Krystallia Kyparissou. I'm a dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon and medical director of BHR Clinic Athens. Many of our patients have been asking questions of how to treat, how to care for their hair. So today I'm going to address the two most frequent questions. One, what shampoo to use, and second, how frequently we should shampoo our hair. So although there is no one-size-fits-all approach, a good rule of thumb is to wash your hair when it looks oily at the roots. Finally, keep in mind that the needs of your hair may change, for example, according to what season it is, so it might be a good idea to adapt your products accordingly. So what about how frequently to wash your hair? Contrary to common belief, shampooing your hair every day won't get rid of its natural oils. If done correctly and with the right products, it actually moisturizes your head. The natural oils produced by your scalp simply sit on top of your hair shaft and do not penetrate, so it's better to get rid of them. The hair type is also important. It affects the frequency of your shampooing. So fine hair and straight hair need to be washed more frequently. Curly hair or thick hair don't need that frequent shampooing. You need to wash your scalp if it feels irritated or itchy, because washing alleviates symptoms. And you don't, if you are in the category that you don't need to actually wash your hair frequently, it's better not to allow more than 10 days between your shampooing. One exception in the frequent shampooing is if you have very, very dry hair. In this situation, excessive shampooing will make your hair prone to breakage. And one important note here is that although frequent shampooing is fine for your hair, everyday usage of styling of, for example, heating appliances could seriously damage your hair. Greasiness is an important issue for many people. Of course, it's not just products that can cause greasiness. There are many important factors. Genetics is a great factor. Of course, you cannot change your genes. Your hormones play an important role. The diet is very important, and then you can do something, because by avoiding excess fat intake or daily products or sugar, you can diminish the amount of secreted sebum. The environment plays a role, as we said before. The heat may may dry your hair, but the change between the excessive cold and then going to a warm environment during the same day may cause an increase in sebum production. The habits play an important role as well. So if you exercise a lot, then you may also excrete more sebum together with salt and sweat. Particularly for women, the menstrual cycle may play a role as well. So 1 week premenstrually the hair tend to be more greasy. So at that period of time, it's better to go for a shampoo that's not as heavy on your hair. And finally, if you're a person that uses a lot of styling products, as these tend to accumulate over time on your hair despite washing them, it's a good idea to maybe once a month use a detox shampoo to get rid of all these accumulated substances. Another criteria that you can choose your shampoo is the weather. So, for example, during the summer months, the skin is more dry, so the scalp is more dry, so it's better to go for a more nourishing shampoo that will help protect your scalp and repair your hair. If you have dandruff or a lot of flakes in your hair, the first thing you need to consider is if these flakes are thick, and if you have itching on your scalp, then it's better to visit your dermatologist first. There might be conditions like psoriasis or severe seborrheic dermatitis that need to be excluded first, because these may need medical treatment. If that's not the case, then in order to get rid of your flakes, you should wash more frequently. You should avoid using products that dry your scalp, like, for example, hairsprays or shampoos that with increased alcohol content. You should prefer shampoos with ketoconazole, salicylic acid, selenium sulfate, or zinc. The most important criterion when you choose your shampoo is the quality of your hair. So if you have oily hair, it's better to look for ingredients in your shampoo like zinc, selenium sulfate, sulfur, coal tar, linoleic acid, apple cider vinegar, or clay. If you have dry hair, it's better to look for ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, lactylol, xylitol, arginine, manuka honey, or willow extract. That's all for now. Hope it was helpful. And on a final note, I'd like to say that while we are all staying stranded at our home, trying to fight this worldwide crisis, Frida Kahlo comes to my mind. As we all know, she was a famous painter, and she stayed for many months stranded in her bed. But she managed to turn that period of time into one of her most productive ones. Feet, what do I need you for when I have wings to fly? Stay safe and stay creative to keep your mind and your souls healthy. From BHR Clinic Athens office, thank you all for watching.
So after listening to Dr. Kyparissou, feel free to fill up the consultation form, ask your questions, and if you want to have an online consultation with either myself or Dr. Kyparissou, who's a dermatologist, we'll be glad to organize that. Take care, stay safe.